Okay, so I'm in the process of overlaying this as I've done in the past. This is, you can see Alaska here, North American continent here, overlaid over the Philippines and Indonesia, Southeast Asia. And it might be a little oversized right now, but I don't see how it really could be because you see how it absolutely fits the A shape there? Actually, I might have it a little too wide probably. I mean, I know it's not that big up there. Just shrink it down a little bit and just bring it back over, do a little rearrangement, a little adjustment here. And it'll still fit the same, I do believe. Maybe turn it, a little tap that way. Take a look. And we're still pretty close. You can see the shape right here. This is all there. See this? All these mountains here? Look at that. Totally see it. I just thought you might find that interesting. It puts, look where it puts the Hudson Bay. I mean, I'm not saying I got it all the way adjusted yet. I mean, it could probably go a little narrower because it should fit the A actually. Alaska's not. I mean, Alaska's big, but it ain't that big. So here we go. Let me get this. Just get it right so you can see what I'm saying. I know you can already see what I'm saying. I mean, this is really important stuff here. I'm trying to show you. It really is. To understand things properly as far as the Earth goes, you need to understand that all these places were made in the same over the same hotspot. The same hotspot created this part of North America as what is creating today. This is probably the most recent thing being created by this spot because this is where we have the warmest sea temps on the planet. You know, the monsoon weather is here. So something's going on down there. Still built these. We know there's a lot of volcanoes still in this area. Lake Toba's over here, some over here in this area. So we know this is the ring of life. This is the ring of life right here. This is a perfect circle. Just think about that. Food for thought. That's all. There's your A. Look at. So that just shows that the Hudson Bay is the same volcano. This was a volcano right here. This was not. They say it was some meteor might have hit there. But none of this shit is meteors. I hate to tell you that. It's not meteors. Not from what they show us. But this was here, or not necessarily here, but wherever the hot spot is. This is most likely the hot spot today. But you can see all this is in there. I just want to point that out. It's really interesting to know. Because up here we have the same cyclonic storms up there by the Bering Sea, right up here in the Gulf of Alaska. We get these big storms sometimes, the big circular pattern, and we get the same thing right here by the Philippines. Same thing as a typhoon in the same place. I just shared an image of weather earlier that shows in the Atlantic Ocean. See, this is also. Let me just show you the other area of North America. It's the same A. This is that A, and this is one as well. With this being the volcano part of it. This is the smaller. It looks smaller, but it's the same A. This is massive. That what was built here in Alaska and in the northern Canada here, or eastern Canada, or whatever you call it, North America. But that was created by that. Same thing that's creating the Philippines and Indonesia today. Shoot, maybe I didn't have it too big. That's pretty big anyway. That's big up there. Yeah. All right, too long a video already. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, or have a good weekend.